Hello and good Friday evening, everybody. I'm Gabe Maynor here for Mississippi Live News, filling in for our Emily Leonard. We start tonight in Nettleton. That's where Nettleton is considering a new ordinance that would require a permit for any large gathering. We're talking any assembly, parade, or public demonstration with 10 or more people. A public hearing is set for August 3rd. If the ordinance passes, permits would cost $25 and run through the city clerk's office. No events after 10 p.m. and no alcohol, profanity, or disorderly conduct. Violations start at $500. The city says the goal in all of this is public safety. And we have an unfortunate news tonight. Another senior living facility announced that it is closing, this time in August. It is in Golden, Mississippi. Jay Curtis with Southern Magnolia Golden told Mississippi Live that the decision to close was not an easy one. He said low occupancy and lack of demand for services led to the closure. They are doing everything they can to help residents find a new place to live. He says Southern Magnolia is paying for each resident's move and helping them find the right place for their needs. They want to make sure every person and family has the support, care, and resources they need during this move. You might remember 2 days ago, the Henry Clay Retirement Community in West Point announced that it was closing. They cited building costs as the reason for their closure, but are also working with residents to help them relocate. Let's go ahead and get some good news here at 9 o'clock. Local fun matters, and we've got a little of everything heading into this weekend. Let's start up in Corinth. You might remember us covering this earlier on in the week. It's an event that we previewed, police versus firefighters in a charity softball match. Gates open at 5, first pitch is at 6. The game benefits the Havas Kids organization. And up in Burnsville, shout out to the future in baseball. The 6U All-Star State Champs are back in town. Parade celebrating the Green Machine starts at 6 p.m. Now, if you've got old tires piling up, this is the place to be. Columbus is taking them off your hands. There are 6 locations across the city that will be available from 8 to 2 on your Saturday. Here are the locations for the 6 dumpsters. There's one in each ward of the city. The city says this is a safe and free way of getting rid of your old tires and helping the environment at the same time. And last but not least, Jeeps and Jams is happening in Farmington Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This event helping bring cancer awareness. For more information on any of these events and much more happening here in North Mississippi, check out our Facebook page. And speaking of good news, we have good news coming out of our St. Jude Dream Home ticket sales. Just a quick reminder to get your ticket for the St. Jude Dream Home now. Tickets are going fast. More than 6,100 tickets are gone. So get yours now, and if you do, you'll also be entered for a chance to win a $10,000 shopping spree to Brooks Grocery. Go to dreamhome.org or call 1-800-456-8351. Thank you so much for joining us for Mississippi Live News on your Friday. I'm Gabe Maynor. Keep it here for the very latest.